Hey, it's Anna with WTI, and this is the perfect camping companion. As a fair-skinned ginger, it is so important to me to have sun protection even when I'm camping. And this umbrella from AMMSUN is the perfect choice. I love how great the clamp is that comes with the umbrella. It goes onto your chair super easily and it goes around those great poles that are on your chair that are round. You don't have to worry about it slipping because it sits on there perfectly. I also really appreciate how this can be rotated 180 degrees. So you can have shade wherever you are choosing to sit. And I really think that it's super unique with this bendy part. So not only can the pole itself rotate, but you can really customize however you want this umbrella to be. It is extremely lightweight, which makes it so easy to pack with you. The umbrella and the clamp fit perfectly in this little carrying case that goes right over your shoulder. I really enjoy this umbrella and think it is the perfect companion for sitting out in the yard and enjoying nature, or when you take it camping. I really think it is absolutely superb. It goes on super quickly and packs up super easily. So if you're looking to have some great sun protection without a lot of bother, this is the perfect choice for you. So if you want to stay in the shade, you need to get this umbrella from AMMSUN. I think it's absolutely perfect, and that's my point of view.